my morning workout routine, which really helps me to stay fit, to burn fat. It's a workout that I do 2 times a week, and it seems to work well, and I'll show it to you now. First of all, what I do is I start out with some aerobics, like some kind of standard aerobics. So let's begin with that. I usually just a little bit of aerobics to get started, to get the heart going, and to get prepared for exercise. I'm over 50, by the way, so this just helps me to burn fat and to build strength at the same time. Then I do kind of legs side to side to burn fat, at the handles on the side. Maybe a little more up and down. Stand the arms up like this. And back to this. You can do any variety. You can sort of mix it up. Then what I usually do is do the side to side like this. Kind of like the Apsara dancer. And this also helps burn fat here in the midsection and on the sides, which is really, really helpful when you're over 50 like I am. Get the heart rate going. A little bit up and down, just kind of mix it up a little bit. Up and down, like this. Maybe open the legs again. Just remember to breathe. Don't hold your breath. And like this. Lift the legs up a little bit. So these are all kind of exercises, to keep you fit here, to burn fat and to, to help your heart, to keep a healthy heart. I do this for about 10-15 minutes before I do strength training. So a little bit of that, maybe up and down a little bit more. So basically about 10 minutes. I do this for about 10 minutes, maybe a few more leg lifts. This is a little bit advanced, so if you are not comfortable doing, kind of strenuous physical exercise, maybe take it a little bit slower. But after I do all of that, then I'll kind of do a little bit of boxing, boxing exercises. Again for aerobics, nothing too serious. Just kind of move into this, practice your moves. Of course, don't throw, when you're doing boxing exercises, don't throw your, all your power into it, because that's, you can actually injure your arms and you can injure your joints by doing it. Just sort of, do it lightly. And breathe. Be sure you breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Be careful of your footing. Keep your footing kind of spread and your weight a little bit distributed in front, but kind of evenly distributed. Be sure you breathe. Okay, so a little bit of that, and then switch to the other side. Always, do both sides because that helps you to build more balance and symmetry as well, in your body and in your entire body and fat burning. Okay, and make sure you breathe. Always breathe while you do this. And again, don't throw your power into it. It's just for exercise. Only throw your power into it when you're actually hitting something, like a bag or if you're sparring or something. And keep your technique. You're mainly working on technique and fat burning as well and aerobics. But your technique. You throw this. You twist your arm. Okay, twist. Keep your weight. Keep your weight distributed. You can twist, twist your hips, which is important in boxing or in any self-defense. Okay, and that's about it. And that's it for the initial stages of the aerobic exercise. Then I like to do a bit of martial arts. I don't do anything serious, just a little bit of kicking and a little bit of Muay Thai, kind of mix it up with the martial arts understanding that I have, just to get a little bit of a kind of overall and general aerobic workout before I do push-ups and things. So, all right, so. Okay, and I'm not gonna unload on these kicks again because when you're working out, only when you're hitting something you should put your power into it. When you're not actually hitting something like a bag or sparring with somebody, then don't throw your power into it because you might injure yourself. And mainly work on technique. That's what I do. And I just do a mix of different things, just to get some exercise and just get some aerobics before I do some strength training. A roundhouse there. One kick. Axe kick. Yes. Just an overall general kicking, get the body moving, get the blood flowing and everything. Remember to breathe. Please remember to breathe while you're doing this. It's very important, not only for power and everything. It's important, for your heart to do that. Okay, and then I switch to the other side. So now I can switch to this side. So again, symmetry and balance. Again, this is a little bit advanced. I'm not saying I'm a great martial artist or anything, but you know, it's a little bit advanced. So, you know, if you're not used to this kind of workout, please, you know, take it slowly and, you know, and we'll work up to it. You know, that's very important. Okay, so anyway, I've been doing martial arts for a few years. You know, it's just I mix all these things together: a little bit of boxing, a little bit of kicking, and then the aerobics at the beginning to get the heart rate going. So that's about it for the aerobic part of the workout. And then I'll move to strength training in the next video. But this only takes me you know, a few minutes in the morning. Again, I'm over 50, so it helps me to stay fit, burn a little bit of fat. I'm happy with the results. I'm not trying to get super big or anything, but it really works for me. So thank you very much. And see you in the next video.